Hey everybody, Chris here. So the Dogecoin charts are looking at a pending breakout coming. We're going to take a look at that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And I will be live again Friday at 5 o'clock. So come and join me, 5 o'clock East Coast time, United States time. Always a good time. Talk about Doge, other cryptos, anything financial, anything on your mind. We have a lot of fun with that. But right now, what are we looking at for Doge? We're looking at a nice gain yesterday in the price, over 15 cents now. See if we can keep that as now new support and move on up in the future. Let's go ahead, take a look at the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. And so we'll start here looking at the Dogecoin chart, and here we are just over 15 cents holding on. Will this become new support as we aren't down here at 14.4 anymore? That was yesterday. We've moved on up to 15. Overall, we do have green across the market today. So this is all good. Good trading we've had as everything has moved up. Bitcoin only 3%, but we have some others like WIF, look, up 11, Jasmy up 6, Sui is up 8 after a long, slow downward trend. Sui up and Injective as well. And then here's Toncoin. Yes, what has happened? Toncoin has passed Dogecoin in total market cap. Toncoin now number 8, Doge number 9. So yeah, what we feared was going to happen did. A lot of support behind this Telegram coin. So it has moved up 33% in the past week. Wow, I mean Doge is up 13%, and that's pretty good. I mean, that's double what Bitcoin's only up 6, a little over 6, and Doge up 13, but Toncoin, massive gain that it has had in the past week. So what are we talking about right now? We're talking about Dogecoin. Whales are accumulating more Dogecoin. What is the next move? Again, Dogecoin up 3.5% in the past 24 hours, up over 15 as crypto market as a whole climbs. Doge now up about 14% for the week, which we just showed. And you know, there are indications whales have been accumulating, and this could result in further gains in the coming days. The market is set up for what looks like a busy weekend, and we will talk about the coming weekend trading in the live stream, so come join the live stream there. We'll look at this chart in just a minute and what the chart setup is on the bigger scale. But we have, again, Doge's relative strength index hovering between 50 and 70. So it is up, which is good. We do have volume just ever so slightly ticking up. Looks like traders in for a short-term period of strength for Doge. Transfer and ownership data suggests that whales have been reaccumulating Doge. That's right. We do have some transfers coming off of Robinhood, and we talked about that the other night. What's happening with Robinhood, a little uncertainty there with the Wells notice. But we also have addresses between 100 million and 1 billion Doge now hold 21% of the entire circulating supply of Doge, up from about 20.75 from a week ago. So an uptick in larger whale addresses. They are accumulating. It highlights how whales have taken advantage of depressed prices to buy Doge on the cheap. They have therefore set themselves up to make some profits once the Dogecoin price rises in the coming days and weeks. It's more likely to see more gains in step with the wider market, which after a period of selling looks ready to recover in the near term. More generally, Dogecoin has long-term potential in relation to the possibility that X, that's X Twitter, may introduce digital payments on its platform, including payments using Doge. And I've got another thing to show on that in just a minute as well. So Dogecoin appears headed for another golden cross. This one, a price pattern that we haven't seen since January 2021. Remember what the price of Doge was in January 2021? You could have gotten Doge for less than a penny then. And that's when it went on that huge run up to over a penny to 2 cents, 5 cents and up to 8 cents. It was an incredible run. We'll take a look at that. So this is on the weekly, not the daily. We had a daily last summer, and now this is the weekly, and I'll show that in a minute. Again, the previous golden cross seen in early January 2021 came before an 8,000% price surge. So what is the golden cross? It is when the 50-week simple moving average is trending north, and when it crosses above the 200-week SMA, that is called the golden cross. We saw it last back in January 2021, and it looks to be setting up here to be happening again soon. So let's look at my chart, and we will look. First, we'll go to the daily, and on the daily, we've got two moving averages. We've got the blue one and the white one. The blue one is 50. The white one is 200. And we zoom out, and we had it right there. And I circled it there, and again, that was we had back in, this was actually November 2023. When that happened, Dogecoin had dipped down to about 7 cents at that time, and we were like, okay, here we go. Of course, Doge went on a nice big run up to over 10 cents, and then just kind of settled back until late February before going on the big run. So that was on the daily. But now we are talking about the weekly. And on the weekly, we are looking at these moving averages here converging. As the price is well up above where these averages are, that means that the 50 is going to catch the 200. Now, on the weekly, these are slower moving lines, so this is probably going to take a little while to play out. Of course, the higher Dogecoin goes in the short term, the shorter it's going to take for the 50 to catch the 200. But that will be a weekly golden cross, which we haven't seen since January 2021. What could make this price go up? That's what we want to know. Well, how about Elon Musk enabling Dogecoin payments for Tesla, or Doge integration on X as well? Those are the big things we're talking about, the big catalysts that could send Dogecoin's price up higher, faster. These things, they take time though. I know you guys, you want it all to happen right now, but these things take time to happen. We know that Elon is getting these money transmitter licenses, right? Musk and X have been acquiring payment licenses in the United States. At the time of this report, they hold 25 licenses, like halfway there. Count is growing monthly. These licenses are necessary for enabling peer-to-peer payments, similar to how Venmo and Cash App operate. Also, interesting anecdote, Elon Musk's biography, if you read that book, notes that he had dreamed of offering Doge as a form of payment on a social media platform long before he even acquired X. So the money transmitter licenses could indicate that the X team is moving closer toward Doge payments on the platform. So that's what this is heading towards. And also noticed that Tesla Model Doge highlighted that on the X app, there is, under settings and support, there's now this purchases tab. You click on that, and that leads you to, right now, X services. So they're setting this up first so that if you're buying different services on X Twitter, they'll show up here, but eventually this could also lead to other purchases on that platform. Could it be Shopify? Could it be other ways or means that they're going to be enabling purchases on the platform? We shall see. But man, to see Doge integrated like this, that would be awesome. Is that going to happen? That's what we're excited about. So that's what we have coming. Look, the charts are setting up for Doge, that we could see a coming breakout again. Again, it's going to take a little while, not immediate. You know how these things take time. You got to have a little patience. But is this the accumulation time? Again, we see whales accumulating. are you accumulating to? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about pending breakout for Doge? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.